Hey y'all, I am starting something new. Given today's day and age, we cannot be prepared enough to protect ourselves. If we're out on a walk, if we have kids that are in school, maybe they walk home or they stay after for sports, maybe your kids are in college on a campus and you want to have that extra security or peace of mind for yourself. Well, I am now adding the ability to do that with self-defense tools that we can make adorable. This is a bottle opener. Also, you see the little notch here. It will help you pull credit cards out if you have long nails like me. It will come with a whistle. There's different packages you can choose from. This is a door opener. Show you how that works. You don't want to touch the door, or you have long nails and you don't want to break a nail. That's what this is for. So we have that. We will have a wristlet strap so you can carry it on your wrist. I'll show you how that works. We have lipstick or chapstick carriers. We also have, I would use that for chapstick, this for lipstick tube. Then we have hand sanitizer. And we have a flashlight so you can see. And also, if someone's following you or you feel unsafe, this is going to get loud, but I want you to hear it. Gently pull this out. I'm going to plug it right back in. Hear how loud that is. Sorry, I warned you for your ears. But we have that too. And it all clips together. I'll show you. I have one here. This is everything put together with a little fuzzy. I love these. But very easily. Here is the wristlet. Put it on your wrist. Everything is right there handy, available if you need it in a quick hurry. So yeah, I am offering these because things are really getting out of hand. And we need to feel safe when we're walking our dogs. If we're going to the grocery store, walking to the car, walking out to the car from work, if you're at college, going from class to class, or maybe at night going to study at the library. It's just extra peace of mind. I will be adding more things to this. Stun gun, pepper spray, and it's gonna be sassed up. You know, we can bling it up and add some, you know, fun to the accessories while we're being safe too. So if you have kids that are off at college, if you have kids that are in high school or even grade school, I have one specifically for younger kids. This is that. Comes in pink and blue. This clips on their backpack. And it has the loud noise thing along with a flashlight. So if you have smaller or younger kids, this would be great for them to give you that peace of mind if they're having to walk home. And I only have that in pink and blue. So it can be for a girl or a boy, you know, and like I said, you can clip it on your backpack with this, and this locks down. So you just unscrew this. Once that's released, then a little bit more. Then you can open it, add more things, take things away if you want, and then lock it back. Once it's screwed back, it can't open. So things can't be taken off or lost very easy as long as this stays locked. So this is an upgrade too for your smaller kids or, you know, anything like that. So that comes in pink and blue. I have a lot of different, I have this cow print, I have pink and blue, in black and purple. We have like a black marble. There's the blue. I have a sunflower one coming. There's a gray. Another cow. I think those are all. There's the purple. The options that I have right now. I have more coming, like I said. And if there's something that you specifically want, let me know and I'll see if I can get it. But we're doing that. Y'all, don't be caught unprepared. It's worth doing this to have that peace of mind and that confidence being out in the crazy world that we're living in right now. So get with me. Let's get you a set in the mail for you, for your college kids, for your high school kids, even your adult kids. You know, I gave them to my daughter so they're safer walking their animals at night, going to and from work. We're just in a crazy world right now, y'all, so be prepared. Anyway, I look forward to doing this, and y'all, I don't know about y'all, but I like the ASMR from this too. It is a lot of fun, and to me, very zen. So, be on the lookout. Get with me. Let's get yours in the mail. I have very limited numbers right now until I get more stuff in stock, but let's get yours done today. Until then, y'all stay safe. Remember, let's help each other take care of our neighbors and ourselves. We gotta look out for each other. Until next time, ta-ta for now.